What's good with y'all YouTube? It's your boy METXXRO, man. Today I'm coming at y'all, trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And today, the pair we're gonna be looking at today is USDJPY. And as of right now, it is 8:11 in the morning. You know, it's not too early. You know, it's decent. It's decent. So, as you can see, we are on USDJPY. Let me see. Hold on. I gotta get my TPs and shit and everything set real quick. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I gotta get my TP set. I'm saying, fuck that. I gotta always have my loss. I gotta always. I think I might go. Is that too high? Trying to see, is that too high? That's a what, 1 to 3? And if it break below down here, yeah, we going. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna just stick with this right here. This a 1 to 3 RR. Beautiful little trade. So, man, we gonna let this shit run. You know what I'm saying? We gonna let this shit run. 5 minute. Let me see. Oh, this is a 3 minute. Oh, yeah, it's 3 minute. 3 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute. And after this trade, I'll explain everything on why I got in the trade and all that type of stuff. So, hopefully we can hit take profit. And at the end of this video, I will break down this whole trade, explaining why I got in, what did I see, and what were my confluences on getting in, you know, shit like that. So, we just gonna see, man. Today is Tuesday, February 28th. So, man, we just trying to see if we can get something, you know. And if it come back down to break even, I'm definitely gonna get out, because I just don't. I'm trying to be risk free, you know. If this don't want to go up, then I'm not gonna force it to go up. So we just gonna have to see, man. Gotta check the lower time frame just to make sure ain't no crazy shit happening. Yeah, I think I'm going for up here. I think I'm going for up here. Yeah, I think I'm going for up there, man. So TP almost got hit. You know, I'm not going for the biggest take profit. I'm just trying to go for what I feel like makes sense for me, and that's all that really matters, you know. Just go for what makes sense to you and not anybody else, bro. But don't have no take profit that's, you know. Damn. Hey, y'all, you can keep that same momentum though, you know. Keep that same momentum pushing up. We almost there though. I think, yeah, my take profit's like what, right here? Yeah, so let me check the 15 minute. You know, when I'm in trades, I like to check Hey, yo, hopefully this keep going up. This looking, on the 15 minute, this looking beautiful. Yeah, in the 15 minute, this joint looking beautiful. Hey, hopefully this thing could keep going up, man. Shit, when I'm in trades, I always like to check other time frames. You know, cause shit, you don't want to just miss something. Cause believe me, it happens. I'm not gonna lie. I've definitely been in trades where like I don't check either lower time frames, either higher time frames, and I'll be stuck in a trade, and I'll be like, damn, why the fuck did I get in? Why the fuck did I do that? You know what I'm saying? So we just patiently waiting. That's all it is. You know, the hour. Ooh, the hour coming off. As of right now, the hour's looking good. So hopefully we can go up a little bit more, and we could call it a day. Cause we're almost at our take profit. We almost is. So I'm gonna just try to be patient, and you know, just let shit be. News today. I think news that we had a decent amount of news today. Yeah, we had a decent amount of news today. Let me see. Man, let me see. Is this a good? I'm trying to see. I'm really just trying not to be greedy with this shit. But you know, we just. Yeah, is that our take profit? Nope, not yet. Hey man, hold on. I'm finna try to get a video real quick. Hey man, y'all say what's up to YouTube, bro. Say what's up to YouTube. You know, if it's gonna take profit though. You know, you trying to break a ball real quick. She trying to hit take profit though. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Sir. Hey man, y'all say what's up to YouTube, bro. Say what's up to YouTube. You know, if it's gonna take profit though. You know, you trying to break a ball real quick. Ooh, almost didn't say that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, fuck that. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting out. What the hell? Oh, no. Yeah, this, hold on. I'm trying to see if I want to come back up. Yeah, I think I might have to skedaddle. Yeah, I'm out. Basically, this wasn't like the most craziest trade, but I just wanted to get in, show y'all a little nice little live trade, and I think it did hit our TP. Well, it got right at our TP, and then it started melting. I don't know. I just don't like being in trades for a long time, so I'm not pressed whatsoever. I'm cool. I'll take the win. This is shit. I'm not trying to be greedy. You know, I don't know how long it's gonna go up for. Like I said, this is a beautiful trade. It was a beautiful trade. I didn't know how long it was gonna go up for, so I'm gonna give y'all a really quick breakdown of what I saw. Right. So first things first, I get on the chart. I go to the 3-minute. Right. I go to the 3-minute. Now this is not a supply and demand setup. This is a support and resistance setup. So basically, what I saw, I'm gonna try to scoot it over so y'all can actually see, because I know sometimes my camera be blocking shit. So basically, what I saw, this USDJPY in the 3-minute. You know, I love the 3-minute. 3-minute is just so fire. So I'm glad I got the fuck out. Yeah, I'm glad I got the hell out. Some just wasn't sitting right with me when I saw you know, the green candle, and you know, see all that, try to push all the way up. It didn't beam. But as you can see, we got a lot of support right here. Like I saw all of these wicks right here. I'm like, okay, we got some support. Now look over. Okay, this is another support setup that you could have took, but I didn't take. And let's say if I did hop in, I would have got in right there. So my stop loss right above this right here. So yeah, right below that green candle. So boom, support is set up. I was waiting for it, and at first I thought it was gonna be broken below, but as you can see right here, boom, it wicked out. It never closed below this zone. So what did I do? Me being MET XRO, hey man, we just we just hopped in. We hopped in, but I really wanted to make sure this candle was really gonna stick and not just keep on wicking out and then, you know, just on some bullshit. I just wanted to get straight to the point. Hey, give me some confirmation that you know what I'm saying, this could be a good setup. You might want to go up, and boom. So what I did is I got in right here, stops right below. Oh shit, I was lacking. Stops right below. You know what I'm saying? So stops right below, and then, you know, that's for the 3-minute. Nice. It was really fueled all by the 3-minute. Support and resistance. We got beautiful candles wicking down and not closing below, and we're trending up. SMA is below it. Then we go to the 5-minute, man. 5 minute, same thing. Support, support, support. Boom. Now depending on what where your take profit was, this trade could have definitely been hitting just only one candle. Um, you know, that's just how I like to trade. I like to get it. I like to get shit over with. I like to just, you know, get in where momentum, you know, is low. I don't like to get in where shit is just like it only go up by like this much. I'm trying to. You know what I'm saying, I'm trying to. God damn. I'm not trying to be in the same trade for too long, you know. So yeah, then as y'all saw, you know what I'm saying, we was on the 15 minute. And what did we see on the 15 minute? We saw some beautiful ass shit, man. Like, look, that zone is still being respected. Like, nah, I ain't gonna lie, this shit definitely flew up. Now, shit, since it didn't want to go down, I believe we could low key either take this high out or some shit like that. I'm not gonna lie, but since I'm out the trade, shit, I'm not finna stretch over what I was about to do. I didn't got my bread, I didn't got my money. I'm gone. So yeah, this trade right here was influenced by the 3 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute. And yeah, man, this was a whatever. Technically, my end goal was one of. God damn, I can't speak. If y'all new to the channel, just know I can't speak for shit. But let me see when did I get out. I'm trying to get y'all the most accurate shit, so y'all be like, you didn't hit for a 1 to 4. Damn right I did it. I got out. I got out to 751. What the fuck is that at? That's like right below this. Damn, no that. 751. Let me see. What was it? Right here? 751. Oh, okay. This one actually. So yeah, I got out. Yeah, right there. Basically a 1 to 3 RR. 1 to 3 RR. I gotta try to go down on the lower time frames to finesse it. We can still finesse it. Yeah, it is. But no bullshit though. This is a beautiful ass trade, man. Oh, we did get the 1 to 3. Yes, sir. That 1 to 3 RR looking beautiful, man. But I don't know what it's doing right now. But I'm finna just stop prolonging this video. Hopefully y'all learn from this video. Hopefully y'all learned something. I'm glad I was able to give y'all a support and resistance trade setup, because I know a lot. I do see supply and demand a lot, and hey, if it work, I'm not finna try to find other setups just to find other setups. Shit, my setup. That's why I say every day I come into the market, I don't have a specific style that I trade. Like, it's whatever I see, whether it's supply and demand, liquidity grabs, all that type of shit. Like, whatever I come into the market and whatever I see and I feel like is the best route for me to take, or the best thing for me to trade that day, that's what I'm gonna trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna just force no shit. And I'm not only a supply and demand trader, all that shit. I want to be versatile with the market. So if one day if it ain't throwing me supply and demand setups, it's cool. I know how to trade support and resistance. If it ain't throwing me support and resistance setup, it's not new. I'm always gonna start it. But you know what I'm saying? I'm fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to talk a lot, but my brain just not fucking with me. But hey, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully y'all gained some knowledge from it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. All that type of shit. And hey, man, I don't really have nothing much else to say. We gone. Yeah. Don't blow your account. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Real shit.